Techno Geeks presents.
Step 1.
Open my computer. Right-click C drive and click Properties. Select Disk Cleanup. Select Cleanup System Files. Tick all the marks and clean it.
Step 2.
Right-click and choose Taskbar Manager. Click Startup tab. Disable unwanted startup programs like OneDrive, Spotify, Cortana, etc.
Step 3.
Click Windows and R key for Run command. Type services.msc and enter. Disable Background Intelligent Transfer Services and apply. Disable Windows Search tab and apply.
Step 4.
Click Win and R key. Type msconfig and enter. Choose Services tab. Check mark Hidden all Microsoft services. Uncheck Unwanted services manually. And apply it. Like. Subscribe my channel and hit bell icon. Enjoy.